For our bartender character, when it comes to setting up the layers, it's pretty basic except for a few things that might not seem obvious. First and foremost, this is the first time we're going to be using Harmony Premium for our design. And the reason we're doing that is we're going to be building our bartender character using the curve deformers. Now, curve deformers are only available in the premium version, but I'm also going to show you how to do some of the same effects or get close to it using a bone deformer. Now, the first thing I'll do, I'll take a look at all of the layers we have here. And we've got the body layer. We've got technically the head layer, which is just the lips. So I'm just going to go ahead and move a couple of these to the top. And just move the body to the top as well. And what I want to do for the arms here, if I take my playhead and scrub through, you can see there are different drawing substitutions for everything. What I want to do for the arms in particular is I want to cut these into two pieces. So there would be the upper arm as well as the lower arm. And the reason I want to do that is I may have times where I want the arm or the hand to go in front of the mouth, but I also may want it to go behind. And in order to do that without messing up where the arm is attached to the body, we're going to have to play with the nudging with the front of the arm. But more on that later. For now, we're just going to design our layers and change a few things. So I'm going to come down here and take a look at a few other adjustments I may need to make. So let's take a look at the right and left leg, and let's see if we move those in front of the body. Okay, that looks a little bit better. So it looks like one continuous piece. And what I want to do now is I'm going to select one of the arms, and this is the left arm. And I'm going to change the name. I'm just going to call this left arm A. And I'll come up here to my cutter tool. And I have it set to lasso. So I'm going to just go ahead and circle where I think the lower arm would be. And I'll go ahead and cut that. Command X, Control X on PC. And I want to go ahead and add another drawing layer. And this is going to be left arm B. And I'll click Add and Close. And we'll go ahead and paste, Command V. That's Control V on PC. And I'll extend the exposure on my new layer. All the way at the end, I'll just simply press F5. And so now I have the arm set up in two pieces. There's left arm A and left arm B. And once we get ready to rig, we'll be also turning on the hand so we can see that all is one piece. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and go through the other arms and separate those as well. So now I've gone through and I've taken each arm and separated it into an A as well as B part. Now, the reason we did this, it's going to give us a little more flexibility when it comes to animating our character. So our bartender will be able to cross its arms if needed, or move one arm in front of the other, and we're going to be able to do that with nudging. And it's all because we separated some extra layers by cutting the upper arm and the lower arm. So now that we have all those done, I'll just go ahead and unsolo each one of these layers. And we're now ready to start rigging.